All right, guys, I'm here with Taylor. He's our in-house Ford expert. He knows this car inside and out. Taylor, Jace's car is back. He's got some suspension issues. Basically, his rear shocks are shot. He's telling me it just smacks every time he hits a bump. So what do you think?
So obviously that's not good, so we're gonna definitely take care of that. We're gonna swap out the stock blown shocks that he has for a set of Bilstein B6s on it. It's just a good OEM replacement, and it'll give him a little bit of a stiffer ride, a little bit better handling like what he's after. He also did mention to me as well he's having some issues with the gauges, so we're gonna look into that, see if we can get those fixed. And then after that, we're gonna do a little bit better tune-up in the car, make it start better and run better for him so he can enjoy it.
Sounds great. Let's get after it.
Time. Alrighty, so we got our parts this morning on the 65 Cobra. We're going to get it up in the air, get the wheels off, and change some shocks, see if we can get rid of that unnecessary bouncing. And then we're gonna check out a couple other things while it's up here as well. And yeah, get ready to turn it up. The more you know. Ta-da. All right, so here we are on the Cobra. And to get rid of these blown shocks, yeah, old ones, we're gonna replace it with a set of these. Got some nice Bilsteins for it, just a good OEM replacement. Guy didn't want to do anything too crazy this time, so just gonna give him something that works, and yeah, see how he likes it. So we just got the Bilstein shocks installed on the Cobra. We are going to get the wheels put back on it, and then we're going to put it back on the ground, look at the electrical issue the customer was having with it, and then see what we can do for a little tune up under the hood. We just got the Bilstein shocks installed on the Cobra. As you can see, they're working like they should. Not bouncy, no more uncontrollable ride. All right, now I'm going to take a look under the dash. Jace was talking about he's having some fuel gauge issues, so I'm gonna start working on that and see if I can't get that working. All right, so you win some, you lose some. Today was a win. It was just a loose connection on his fuel gauge. We put the two wires together and we're working, so we'll take it for what it is. Next, we're gonna look under the hood. He had some comments about some things he wanted to change. We're just gonna check some things over and make sure he's all good there. Get him back out on the road. Okay, so pretty quick, we found that the spark plug wire for cylinder number 6 was actually damaged. So we went ahead and swapped it with one that we had here. And everything seems to be working good. She's happy. So we got the Cobra done, did everything that Jace wanted us to look at. We're gonna take it for a test drive, make sure the shocks feel good and they're working like they should. And yeah, make sure it's all set to go back to him. You weren't kidding about the attention you get in one of these cars. It's impressive. Everybody loves the Cobra. It's been a good time. We're back at the shop. Got the Cobra all dialed in. Suspension's great. It's hitting on all 8 cylinders. The only thing left to do, race that Corvette over there. I know which one I'm picking. What do you guys pick?